Oh, there's lightning, and yes, I'm filming a short-ass video. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm laughing at nothing.
This particular franchise does really well, and they do 600 installs a year. I'm hoping by going undercover, I can find out how this installer is helping this franchise become super successful. You get it?
Runkus? Man, that looks weird. And now it's raining again. It wasn't before, now it is. Yeah, this is weird and I like you. Dang. There's a cloud that looked like a poop.
I'm trying to listen.
I'm so sorry to see a cloud look like a poop. It's not my problem. It's the cloud's fault. Sheesh. What?
My remote.